Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Mary of Creating with Mary, and it's been a while I made any video about my garden. It's important to keep an update on the garden, especially for those people who follow me, particularly for my garden. Okay, so here is the garden, and my daughter calls it, "Mommy, you have a jungle here." She says it's a mini jungle. All right, so that's a garden. There is growth on almost all the plants. You remember those two corn plants? You see, they are taller than me now. This is the okra. The okra is almost as tall as I am. And I wanted to particularly show you my ugu. This particular ugu, you can see how broad, how big the leaves are. The leaves of this ugu is so big, so big. Anytime I go to the market, I never really get ugu this big. I tend to get this size of ugu, which is this, or not. This is the second plant, ugu plant, but this particular one is grown so big. You see, some of the lizards come around, right? They eat some of it. It is okay. I have enough to make do with what I want to make. I have fresh ugu in the garden. All right, so these are the pepper plants coming up. Tomato hasn't been so good, but I'm still trying out peppers, and I have some vegetables, water leaf. So yes, I wanted to particularly show you this ugu plant, pumpkin. It's very large, huh? Very large. They've been having a field day on it, the lizards around here. And the yam plants, they're doing great. Many of the leaves are yellowing and drying. But like I said, I'm still going to leave the yam plant till December so that it has enough time to mature before I harvest it. So growth happens in the garden, and growth happens inside of us too, if we take notice. This kind of video helps us to see the growth happening with the garden, as well as to keep updated with our own growth. And until the next time, I'll see you.